Hi and welcome back, my name is Emily. In this video I will be creating only one card, but it's one of my favorites that I have been creating lately. So I'm using this new stamp set from Forte in collaboration with Alexa Beria, and this one is called Your Berry Sweet. And it also has it doesn't come with, but you can buy separately these amazing stencils that you can use separately or together with the stamp set. And you can see that you easily can color this image out and get a perfect amount of shading. But I started out by using my Misty here and a piece of Nina 80-pound cardstock. That's my favorite, and a really black ink. This one is from Forte. It's the color high one, and I will leave links down below for all the products that I'm using in this video. After I have been stamping it, I will use the stencils here. And it took me a while to figure out the placement of this, but it was really easy when I just aligned everything. I was thinking that it was going to be aligned with the flower arrangement here, but it actually was arranged a little bit differently. You can see it's crooked here, but it works stunningly. So I'm masking off some areas that I was afraid I was going to go over the edges, and I'm using a couple of colors of Forte ink, and I'm using two different shades here. I'm just going over that quickly. And then I'm going in with the upper part here, doing the same thing. This is the same stencil. Doing some shading to the bottom of my leaves. There you can see how much dimension that gives the leaves. And now I'm going in with the second stencil here. You can see I'm getting better and better at lining them up. And I'm doing the same thing here. This brings a little bit more of a shade. And I just brought it slightly up so I didn't have any... I wanted to remove my adhesive there, so I didn't go outside the lines. I could just have cut more adhesive, but I didn't. I was lazy. So for this flower arrangement, or berries I should say, I think these are meant to be blueberries. I don't know, but that is just my guess, and I know some of the design team members have done amazingly blueberries, but I was thinking cowberries. I don't know why, but that was just the first thing that got into my mind. And in a second here you will see that I actually switched again, and I was thinking maybe these are a mistletoe. So you will see the orientation of my finished project are going to be upside down. So this is, yeah, I thought I was going to have it this way instead. So you have to have a little bit of an imagination when you're using this or looking at this card. So cowboys was I was going for. So you can see this stamp set also has these amazing sentiments, and I wanted to go with this one that says sweet hugs, right? I think it says sweet hugs, and it's, or sending hugs, of course, sending hugs. And you can see the hugs there. It looks like somebody went over it with a marker and just scratched it, if that makes sense. I'm using my tools here also from Forte just to get a good impression here, and I've used black ink that is good for embossing, and I've used clear embossing powder on top of that Barza mark ink. And then I will cut out the bit that I want for this, and the easiest way that I found to do this was just to take a die, because then I could just place it down where I liked my card panel to be, and then I could just cut it out and everything would be perfectly aligned. So after I had run this through my die cutting machine, I will adhere some cream colored cardstock on top of an standard A2 size card panel, and then I will use my foam tape here just to create some dimension between my cream colored background and our berries here. And I used some foam tape from Altenew. This is new to me and I have been using it in a couple of projects. I am quite happy with it. And here you can see how everything looks. I will scatter a couple of embellishments. These are also from Forte. And when I'm done with that, I will also use my glitter marker or glitter pen and coat all the berries. And then I will go ahead and use glossy accent on top of all of my berries. I will just tell you that that makes all the difference when you get a glossy on top of these berries. It looks so amazing. It took me a little bit of time to do it, but it was so worth it. If you like this project, please give it a thumb up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so yet. And all the links to the products that I use in this video will be listed down below. I also have a coordinating blog post over at Makeup Forte's websites, so you can also head on over there. Until next time, have a great day. Bye!